The INTETURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a robust 600-watt motor that provides impressive suction power, making it a highly effective tool for cleaning various surfaces, including carpets and hardwood floors. With a remarkable runtime of up to 65 minutes, this vacuum cleaner ensures thorough cleaning without frequent interruptions, which is especially beneficial for larger homes. Its LED touchscreen allows for easy mode switching and displays important information like battery status, enhancing the user experience by making operation intuitive and straightforward. The extendable hose, which reaches up to 3.3 feet, along with versatile accessories, enables users to clean hard-to-reach areas like ceilings and the spaces under furniture effortlessly. A wall-mounted charging station and self-standing design offer convenient storage and charging solutions, ensuring that the vacuum is always ready for use and accessories are easily accessible. INTETURE's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their comprehensive 3-year protection plan and round-the-clock after-sales service, providing peace of mind for users.